Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Meha, and in today's video we're going to be discussing about these beautiful eye makeup brushes from Miniso. I'll be going over the basic details and also what each of these brushes can be used for, because I think it's important to know how to use these brushes, right? So without further ado, let's nerd over some makeup. There are 5 brushes in this eye makeup brush set and it retails for ₹260. It's easily one of the affordable brush sets. The handle of the brush is transparent with golden glitter particles in it and honestly looks so good. The ferrule is golden in color and the bristles are synthetic. It feels a little more firmer than other synthetic brushes I've used, but in no way does it affect the performance of these brushes. These brushes are also smaller compared to other professional brushes. I've washed these a couple of times and there was no problem with it. Needless to say, they're of a great quality. Let's look at these brushes individually. This is a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. This one is softer than the others. It can easily blend your shadows into the crease and the lids. It's pretty self-explanatory and you can take a look at the clip right here. This is how you blend the eyeshadows. This is a flatter blending brush which can be used to blend the eyeshadows as well as place the colors on the eyelid. It can also be used to blend a concealer and even contour the nose. Next, we have the flat brush with the triangle shape on top. This is best used for shimmer or glitter shades to pack it on the lid, and you can use a setting spray to get it on the brush. It can also be used to do a cut crease, even though it may not be very precise. This is an angled brush. This can be used for filling in the brows very precisely. It can also be used to do a wing liner and is mostly used with gel liners. You can obviously use an eyeshadow to do a wing too. You can also use it to smudge eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And lastly, we have a smaller flat brush which is also called a lip brush. This can be used to put on lipsticks precisely, especially when you want to line it and fill it in with darker lip shades. You can also use this one to smudge eyeshadow and also highlight the inner corner of the eye. Overall, I think these brushes are of great quality, they're affordable and are enough for someone just starting off with eye makeup and does not want to spend a lot on brushes and also doesn't need a lot of brushes. So this gets a really big thumbs up from me. Yo, that was a lot of information. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you found this helpful, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're still here, feel free to browse the playlist that I've made, and if you like that, maybe subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.